think that anytime we can harness nature to do its job, I think that's a good thing. So the worms are capable of doing what worms are built to do, which is clean the ground, or in this case, clean the water up, so that we can produce as much water, clean water, as a farm can use. So the BIOFILTRO beta system takes anaerobic water, cleans it up with aerobic treatment, and eliminates a bunch of the potential liability associated with it. For example, odor, methane, and nitrogen, loose nitrogen. And converts all those things into something that the plants can use and reduces those potential contaminants by about 90%.
It's a completely dynamic system. We treat the water online in 4 hours. So from the moment we apply the wastewater in our system, in 4 hours it goes out clean. So basically we are transforming a liquid waste into a high quality water for irrigation. And with that we are practically reducing 90% of the methane generation in a dairy. So with this system basically you are taking out the environmental greenhouse gases impact that they have right now.
I think the biggest thing is that we want to show people what we're doing and how dairymen are innovators, and they're always trying new things and trying to get better at what they do. They don't just do things the way they used to 5, 10, or 30 years ago. We're always getting better. I think most people trust dairymen, they trust farmers, and they trust where their food comes from. So you've got to speak up to continue to tell the truth and overcome the people that really don't know what they're talking about.
I would say that dairymen by nature are environmentalists. They have probably the best recycling machine out there. We like the story that cows can take food that people can't eat. So for example, alfalfa and corn stalks and what would be considered waste, and they're able to turn that into something that can be utilized for humans. And so the idea behind the BIOFILTRO is to clean the water up for the dairy farmer so that they're able to utilize their water in a better fashion and ultimately create some sort of a revenue benefit to them as well. And if we can take a natural system and have it do a long-term job at a farm and give them a tool they can use, like a Swiss Army knife of waste management tools, I think now we've got a complete story where the dairy industry can truly become not only sustainable and recycling, but also build the future for organic and sustainable crops.